So the plan for the moment is to take this engine out. This was an engine we bought after Donington, where we had more head gasket problems.
It's not gone up at all. Listen, you failed miserably.
Head gasket were defective from the manufacturer, which they've accepted, but so we were chasing a problem that wasn't our problem. So that was an engine that's waiting to be rebuilt. So this engine came off eBay for 400 quid, 4 days before the race, and we slapped it in. So it's a completely standard engine. Push that in. So literally though, just got to swap round. Oh, okay, yeah, I can do that. And so this will then become our spare engine. So we'll just keep this, lift it off. The only thing that's going to come off this is the carbs and the headers. Yeah?
Yeah, carbs and exhaust manifold.
Yeah. What's that for?
I don't know. Ian thingy does them. The guy we keep it in the Donington.
What to do that?
I don't know what the thickness of the build-up is, but we've got enough space on our pistons to do it, so it's something to consider for future. I'm not going to say for the next one. But
I would say that none of them are having success though. They keep their engines back.
yeah, sorry. So just splitting the engine and gearbox because the gearbox go back in the car. We're actually going to change the bell housing on there. So. The original bell housing cast iron. I can't remember how much it weighs off the top of my head, but we're changing that for a lighter one. So we've got an aluminium one. Gearbox comes off the engine, and then we take the bell housing off the gearbox casing as well. So yeah, so just start the motor off first of all, and then just head round and get all the rest of the bolts off. Split the engine and gearbox, and the clutch arm should pivot on here. Quite simple. And the pivot pin is no longer there. So I can only assume it's somewhere around Mallory Park.
Because I'm so fast, it fell off.
Maybe on the clutch. So yeah, so we'll have to think of some kind of modification to do to make sure that doesn't happen again. But
Did you mushroom off one end, the top end?
No, because it still needs to pivot and it doesn't go far enough through the bushes. So I think we'll probably put a split pin through the middle, drill it and put a pin through the middle.
The stuff that's missing is Sally.
Yeah.
Like 10 kilos significant? Can I have another bottle of wine significant?
No, you can't have more wine.
I can have more wine. Can't have some wine.
Weight loss will be an important part of improving performance. So we've gone to quite a lot of effort and reasonable cost to get some lightening parts.
Yeah.
But what we need really is to lighten this driver.
Oh, I don't really like
Part of life's too short.
Life is too short to not have wine. Look, it means I've got to buy some more aluminium parts.